Now in this video, I explains the problems of the APDSC SGT certificate paper Redcom TRT. This is the paper of 18/1/2019 shift 1. Now I am explaining the sum of the maths bits here. First problem. The area of the trapezium is 480 centimeters. Length of one of the parallel sides is 24 centimeters and distance between the parallel sides is equal to 8 centimeters. Then length of the other parallel side is given that area of the trapezium is equal to 480. So area of the trapezium formula, area of trapezium is equals to half into d into L1 plus L2. Here d is the distance between the parallel lines and L1 and L2 are the lengths of the two parallel sides. So given that one of the parallel sides is equal to 24, that is L1 is equals to 24 and distance between the parallel sides is equals to 8. Distance between the parallel sides means d is equals to 8. Now what is the length of the other parallel side? Length of the other parallel side means we want the value of L2. So already given that area is equal to 480. That is 480 is equals to half into d into L1 plus L2. D value 8 into L1 value 24 plus L2. Now it is cancelled by 4 times. So 480 is equals to 4 into 24 plus L2. That is, this is cancelled by 120 times. So 120 is equals to 24 plus L2. Then L2 is equals to 120 minus 24. That is, L2 is equals to 96, which is the first option. Now second problem. The length, and that is L is equals to length of the rectangular part, L is equal to 36 3 by 5. That is, now converting this improper fraction into the proper fraction, that is 36 into 3, 36 into 3, 36 into 5, 180, 180 plus 3, 183 by 5, 36 into 5, that is 180, 180 plus 3, 183 by 5, and breadth value B is equal to 16 2 by 3, that is 3 into 16, 48, 48 plus 2, 50, 50 by 3. So given L comma B values, what is the area of the rectangular park? Area is equals to formula L into B. Area of the rectangular park is L into B. That is 183 by 5 into 50 by 3. Now this is cancelled by 10 times. This is cancelled by 61 times. So answer is equals to 61 into 10. That is 610. And the next problem. The least square number divisible by each one of 8, 9, 10. The least square number divisible by the numbers 8, 9, 10. So here first we take the LCM of the numbers 8, 9, 10. Now LCM, now first we take 2 table, 2 4s are 9, 2 5s are. So LCM is equals to 2 into 4 into 9 into 5 is equals to 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 into 9, 360. So LCM is equal to 360. Now what is the least square number divisible by each of the numbers? That is, here 360 is the number which is divisible by the 3 numbers, but we want the least square number. That is, here we can take the multiples of 360. That is 360 into 1, 360 into 2, 360 into 3 and so on. So these are all the multiples of 360. Now among those numbers we check which is the square root, which is the square number, least square number. So here 360 into 10, that is 3600. 3600 is equals to 60 whole square. So 3600 is the least square number. 360 is the number that is divisible by all the 3 numbers, this which is nothing but the LCM value. But what is the least square number? Square number means here 360 can be taken, 3600 can be taken as 60 whole square. So 3600 is the correct answer. Next problem. The value of root 4096 by 163.84, that is square root of 4096 by 163.84. Now this is taken as square root of 4096 by 163.84 by 100. Here after the digit we have, after the point we have two digits, so taking by 100 is equals to square root of 4096 into, right to the numerator, that is 4096 into 100 by 16384. Now this number is here cancelled by 4 times, and this is 100 by 4. 100 by 4 is equal to root 25, and root 25 is equals to 5. That is the last option, fourth option. And the next problem, the product of two numbers is minus 1 by 4. If one of them is equal to minus 3 by 10, then the other number is equals to. The product of two numbers is equal to minus 1 by 4. That is, first we are taking the two numbers are x comma y. Now given that x into y is equal to minus 1 by 4, the product of the two numbers x into y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. If one of them is equal to minus 3 by 10, that is, we take x is equal to minus 3 by 10. One of them is equal to minus 3 by 10, then x is equal to minus 3 by 10. Then what is the other number? So we take x is equal to minus 3 by 10. Now we want the value of y here. Now replacing x is equal to minus 3 by 10 in the equation xy is equal to minus 4. That is, minus 3 by 10 into y is equals to minus 1 by 4. Minus minus gets cancelled. Now this is y is equals to 1 by 4 into 3 by 10, reversing the fraction, that is 10 by 3. When we writing the fraction to this side, and then it becomes reverse, that is 10 by 3. It is cancelled by 2 times, it is cancelled by 5 times. So answer is equal to 5 by 6. 5 by 6, that is the first option. Next problem, sixth one, 7 1 by 2 percentage of 22,400 is equals to 7 1 by 2 percentage. 7 1 by 2 percentage of 2,400. 7 1 by 2. 7 1 by 2 is nothing but 7 into 2, 14 plus 1, 15. 15 by 2. 15 by 2 percentage, that is 15 by 2 into 1 by 100 into 2400. 7 1 by 2 percentage of 2400, that is 7 1 by 2 means 15 by 2 into percentage means 1 by 200 into half means into 2400. Now these two are cancelled. Now this is 15 by 2 into 24, it is cancelled by 12 times. Now 15 into 12, that is 180. 12 into 15 is equals to 180, which is the first option. Next problem, a photographer of bacteria enlarged 50,000 times to attain a length of 5 centimeters. Then what is the actual length of the bacteria is? A photograph of bacteria, that is, for example, here we have one bacteria. This is one small bacteria. Now photograph of bacteria enlarged 50,000 times. That is, this is a photograph of the bacteria. Actually this is the bacteria. Suppose the length of the bacteria is equal to L. Now the bacteria is enlarged, a photograph of, that is a photo of the bacteria. Photo of the bacteria enlarged 50,000 times. That is 50,000 times into actual length. Actual length of the bacteria is equal to this small bacteria is equal to L. Length is enlarged to 50,000. That is 50,000 into L in the photograph. To attain a length of 5 centimeters. This is enlarged to attain the length of 5 centimeters. Now what is the actual length of the bacteria? What is the actual length of the bacteria means we want the actual length here. So now we want to find the actual length. We are taking that value is equal to x here. Now from the proportionality, what we can take, L by x is equals to 50,000 L by 5. Now here L and L gets cancelled, and 50,000 is cancelled by 10,000 times. Now 1 by x is equals to 10,000. Then x is equals to 1 by 10,000. Just reversing the fraction, 1 by x is equals, writing this to writing x to this side. Then x is equal to 1 by 10,000, and 1 by 10,000 value is equals to 1 by 10 power 4, and 1 by 10 power 4 is equal to 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4, that is the third option. Next problem, the selling price of an article is 6 by 5 of the cost price. Then what is the gain percentage? The selling price of an article. So selling price of an article means SP. selling price of an article SP is equals to 6 by 5 of its cost price, that is 6 by 5 into CP. Selling price of the article means SP is equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5 of its cost price. 6 by 5 into CP. Then what is its gain percentage? So first we are taking the value of CP is equals to X. Let CP is equal to X. Cost price is equal to X. Then what is SP value? SP is equal to 6 by 5 into X. Now what is profit value? Profit is equals to SP minus CP. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Now this is 6 by 5 into X minus X. That is 6x minus 5x by x by taking LCM. Now this is equals to x by 5. Now what is gain percentage? Gain percentage formula. Gain percentage is equals to gain by CP into 100. Gain by CP into 100. What is gain value? Profit is equal to x by 5. X by 5 by CP. CP value is equals to x into 100. Now here x and x gets cancelled. The remaining values 1 by 5 into 100. That is 100 by 5. 100 by 5 is equals to 20%. So gain percentage is equal to 20%. That is the first option. And next problem. The compound interest on 6,400 rupees for 2 years at the rate of 7.1/2 per annum is the compound interest. We want the compound interest on the amount 6,400. That is given that capital amount P is equal to 6,400 for 2 years. That is given that N is equals to 2 at the rate of R is equals to 7.1/2, 14 plus 1, 15/2 per annum. So the formula, and we want the compound interest. So compound interest formula, compound interest is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N minus 1. This is the formula. Now we are substituting the values here. P value 6,400 into 1 plus R value 15/2. 15/2 by 100 whole power N value 2 minus 1. And this is equals to 6,400 into 1 plus. Now this is 5 3s and 5 20s. So it becomes 3 by 40. 3 by 40 whole 2 2s 220 40. 2 into 20 40. 40 whole square minus 1. Now this is 6,400 into 40 plus 40 into 1. 40 plus 3. 43. Taking LCM 40 into 1 40 plus 3. 43 by 40 whole square minus 1. And this is 6,400 into taking LCM 43 whole square minus 40 whole square by 40 whole square equals to 6,400 into, now this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b, that is 43 plus 40 into 43 minus 40 by 40 whole square, that is 1600. Now here 0 0 0 0 cancel and this 16 is cancelled by 4 times. Now this is 4 into 43 plus 40, 83 into 43 minus 43. Now this is 12 into 83. 83 into 12. 12 3 is 36, 3 12 8 is 96, 99. So answer is equal to 996. That is the fourth option. Next problem. Next problem. If the mean of the x1, x2 and so on x10 is 10, then the mean of the x1 plus 4, x2 plus 8, x3 plus 12 and so on x10 plus 40 is. Given that the mean of x1, x2 and so on xn is equal to 10. That is, here we have 10 observations, that is sigma xi by 10 is equals to 10. Mean value, mean is equals to, given that mean is equal to 10. Mean means formula sigma xi by number of observations. Sigma xi means sum of the observations by number of observations. That is sigma xi by number of observations is equal to 10. Sigma xi by 10 is equals to 10. That is sigma xi is equal to 10 into 10, 100. Then what is the mean of x1 plus 4, x2 plus 8, x3 plus 12 and so on x10 plus 40. That is, we want to find the mean of all the observations. So that is sum of the observations. x1 plus 4 plus x2 plus 8 plus x3 plus 12 and so on x10 plus 40 whole by, this is the sum of the all observations by total number of observations. Here we have 10 number of observations, that is by 10. Now this is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on xn, that is nothing but the sigma xi plus, now the remaining terms are 4 plus 8 plus 12 and so on 40. Now taking 4 common from all those terms, then what we get? 4 into 1. Now taking 4 common here, from it returns only 2 plus 4 into 3 and so on plus 4 into 10 40. Now taking 4 common from the remaining all numbers whole by 10. Now this is equals to, what is sigma xi value? 100 plus 4 into, now this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on 10. Sum of the first and natural numbers formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. Here we have n is equal to 10. So this is 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2 whole by 10 equals to 100 by 10 plus, separating the denominator, 4 into 10 into 11 by 2 into 10. Now 10 cancel, this 2 is cancelled by 2 times. Now this is here 10 is cancelled by 10 times. Now 10 plus 2 into 11, 22. So answer is equals to 32. And next problem, the mean of observations 10, 12, 14, x minus 3, x plus 2 is equals to 25 or in ascending order is 15. Then what is the value of x? Given that mean of the observations is equals to 15. Mean of the given observations which are in the ascending order. Given that the all observations are in the ascending order. To find the median of the value. To find the median value, first of all we should arrange the given observations in the ascending order. Already clearly here given that the numbers are in the ascending order. So we are taking the observations here first. 10, 12, 14, x minus 3, x plus 2 and 25. What is given? Median is equals to 15. So median means here we take the middle value as the median. This is the, here 3 times are there, here 3 times are there. So median is equal to 15 means middle value is equal to 15. Then what's the value of x? So given that median means middle term is equal to 15, then x is equal to 15 plus 3, that is x is equals to 18. That is the second option.